Right, big up Chi-Ching Ching. And from we say Chi-Ching Ching, we say one knock. It was a good look, it mash up the dancer. And now we have OneKnockTV. So, OneKnockTV, big up yourself. A mad thing. Different voice again now. You don't know Supa Hype in the building. Steven Supa Hype Davis, you don't know. Diamond League, UPT, the whole works, UPT Records. You don't know UPT Gear, the clothing line, brand ambassador for Reggae Grabber, you know, smoking products. Also, I work with Exclusive Vodka, one of the promoters for Sexy Tuesday, also one of the promoters for Mojito Mondays, Car Sexy. Listen, man, I just do a lot of things, and I produce music. I produce one of the most phenomenal songs in dancehall, Dutty Wine, which was a phenomenon, I swear. So, I did some history, you know what I mean? I have something to, when I get old, I can always say I did that. I produced that track that made girls wind their neck off.
Alright, thank you. So how long have you been doing music?
I don't want to say because the girls are going to know my age. But a long time still. From high school. I go from lifting speakers to playing warm-up music to being one of the selectors that play in the heat of the party till actually reaching a party selector till reaching one of the street selectors. Then I did a big move with 007 and did, you know, the street and the studio and the whole works. And then now, this is where I'm at.
Okay, so how do you
How what?
How you sustain your relevance within the dancehall scene?
I would say I wouldn't say I'm the diplomat, but I'm like a diplomat in dancehall. I keep ties with everybody. You know what I mean? I don't discriminate really. I just keep my thing level, and I link with everybody. I don't take side really. Like, I'm just doing music. So if he's an artist, then I'm probably gonna link up with that sometime in your career.
Now that you have been in dancehall so long, what are some of the challenges that you have faced?
The what challenges? Just like everybody else, getting my rhythms played, you know, getting my jingles aired, you know, just getting my voice out there and my production. You know what I mean? Even up to date right now, I still get a little fight with certain things like certain bookings, certain weekends, certain big weekend we keep, and you know, it's always a big fight. But we never worried about that, because you don't know.
Without a doubt, every selector or DJ has your jingle. What is it that
Has what?
Has your jingle.
Oh.
What is it that make your jingle so special?
Well, when I was growing up, I used to watch people like DJ Khaled. There's this other person, I don't remember what's his name, but if you remember when Mary J. Blige do her song, he's in the side ground saying something like, everybody, hands up. You know, like, them little thing there is really what build my vibes when it comes to doing jingles and thing. And I say I wanted to, you know, pioneer that in Jamaica, which I tried really hard to do. And I think I did what I came to do.
You're quite a dancehall mogul. So tell us about UPT Records. How did it came into fruition and so forth?
Long time I was doing music. One of my first production was really with Cartel. His group, I don't remember what the name of the group was in Portmore, but they were his artists. They're one of the first people to actually voice for me and give me a strength where production is concerned, for set my thing in a music. Also, Busy Signal was one of the main, you know, because I was already doing music, but when I met Busy, like, if I was just doing it because I love it, when I met Busy, like, yo, man, I have to take it serious them time there. Because him, you know, Busy is like, him don't stop. Him crazy with the music, you know? So I get a lot of training and actually being around Matterhorn too. And Jazzy T, DJ Kareem, Renaissance, you see me? Delano, them people, Dr. J. I spent a lot of time there growing up, watching what going at the studio, when them play out, everything. I watch the business, you see me? Yeah, nobody really taught me. I just went out there and I was a very good student.
Diamond Song, what is it all about?
I just decided that I wanted to do something different, and I never wanted to be like any regular sound name. And I already say UPT, you understand? So I wanted something to put on the UPT. So it's like, there's something on here, but it don't really look good by itself. You know, it's like when it have the Diamond League and it's like it have a little ring, so it's like UPT Diamond League, you know? It make it sound like something special. Cause I like a good name, you know? Like I named one of my rhythms Super Swag. And the rhythm was built off of the swag dance. So it's like when you hear the rhythm, the first thing that comes to your mind is to do the swag dance, right? So Super Swag rhythm. Then like things like Tax Relief. You know, just like we just come with some names or you don't expect, but you can relate to it. So Diamond League, like when you think about Bolt, Usain Bolt, and Asafan thing, the most money they make is when they run in the Diamond League, right? The most fame and glory, and when them go hard at the Diamond League, it's like the biggest thing. When Shelly them mash up Diamond League, it's like everybody's like, whoa. Shelly I go buy a house and a Benz now. You understand? Because when you excel in the Diamond League, you get paid. So the next thing too, we got tired for suffer, so we're the Diamond League, you know. So from excel, we gotta get paid.
I noticed earlier you talked about your clothing line and also you're in that shirt.
Yeah, I try. I try to do a clothing line, I want to do something different. So instead of just go with an actual diamond, I just do something like a diamond with the UPT in it, you know, to signify the UPT Diamond League. This was designed by my friend in Canada, you know, J Diggs. He's also a member of the Diamond League. He's at the Toronto network, you know, he's Toronto leg of Diamond League. And I just want to do something different, you know what I mean? So I do the hats as well, you know. Like this is Pepper hats right now. I'm a brand ambassador for Pepperwear, so I have on one of the hats. But really, I have the hat and the shirt to match and that type of swag. And you know, that type of something there. So like if you're gonna wear like this red shirt now with this white, the UPT, the hat that you would wear with it would be a white and the red Diamond League thing, the UPT. So it's a different swag. It's not just red and white, so my hat will look exactly like my shirt. No, I get a different swag. You see me? Yeah.
So fans
a rich look, you know? Rich. Yeah.
So fans like myself, where would I be able to get these clothing?
In the meantime, you can link up Giselle, that's Diamond League Roadie, 512-7711. Or you can just go on Instagram, link up at Cutie, alright? Also, you can go to Sky Printers, which is upstairs opposite the Cool Oasis on Hagley Park Road. So I'm not really in any official stores just yet, but I guess in time, I'm gonna be in like hopefully all the main stores that sell Jamaican stuff, because we do everything in Jamaica. Produce the shirts, the printing, everything, Jamaica.
You have so much going on, and I understand that you have a new rhythm out. Tell us about that.
The Mighty Diamond League project, I decided I wanted to do a rhythm that was like actually what I did in 2005, 2006 where Smash was Dutty Wine and it was phenomenal and whatever. I wanted to do something like that again. So I wanted to top that. So I wanted to create a vibe, a rhythm that everybody could dance to. It wasn't too fast or it wasn't too slow. And I actually wanted every dancing song to be able to, like, as long as the rhythm I play, you can sing the dancing song to the rhythm, you know? So we get the rhythm bill and thing and big up Dunwell and, you know, the rhythm nice and thing and everything to me, all my dreams coming true right now because everybody who I want to be on the rhythm is on the rhythm except like maybe 2 or 3 big major artists who I actually gave the rhythm to first and they just make it slide and they're going to be sorry because the rhythm is going to go hard and it's a God bless thing. You know what I mean? We never do nobody nothing wicked yet. We just love music and vibes and fun. And you understand? So we give thanks. The Diamond League project, Johnny Wanda put it out, Happy Us. Is a really fun rhythm. From here I can start dance. So you don't know the mighty Diamond League project. The rhythm is split up into like 4 categories. Party, girls, you have a little bad man segment, you know, Jamaica, and then a dancing segment. So the rhythm might have a lot more tracks than a normal juggling still. But all of these tracks are split up into 4 segments, which is something that I never see a producer do. You understand? Most of them put out an album, is an album with 12 or 15 singles. I give you a rhythm where you have 4 different segments. So if you feel like this is some Batman thing, you can hold a voice to Diamond League with it.